Hello and welcome to our MATLAB LaTeX tutorial, and today I want to show you how to work with tables and how to include them. So I open our project, the TCP file, make it big. We make a new file for this. So at first I should write include Tabellen, it's German for tables. Okay, we make a new file and call it tables, UTF-8, and now you see it's after saving, it's in our index. Okay, at first we make a new section called tables, Tabellen, and okay, so if you want to create the table, we click on Control Alt and T, and then a window occurs and we have some options like we can set the alignment, the centering, and of course the caption and the label. And we call our first table unsere erste Tabelle, and we can select the position like if we include figures, and we see the commands that occur there. At first we have of course begin and end table, then we have HT, it means like in the figures here, or at least on the top on the page. And it should be centered in the middle, and then inside we have the tabular with the content. So then we use curly brackets, and then to define the columns, we have to type in some special commands. In this case, I use L. This means left flushed, left justified for the first column, then the pipe symbol, then the second column, and then the third column. Okay, so then we have the column definition. We have 3 columns, and I type in column, Spalte 1, then the ampersand symbol, it distinguishes the columns, then Spalte 2, column 2, and Spalte 3. Spalte is English for, is German for column. To select a new row, we have to make a double backslash symbol, and this means we start a new row. And then now we can type in the command, the values. For example, here 1, then ampersand, 2 ampersand, and 3, and now double backslash. Okay, let it compile, and after compiling, compile again. There was a warning. Oh, there's a typo. Sorry. Okay, compile it again. Sorry. And now we look at the PDF and we see our result. We see Spalte, then a vertical bar coming from the pipe symbol, second Spalte, and so on. It's left flushed always, as you see. It's on the left side every letter and every number. And now we can make some other options to make it look better. I add some more values, 4, 5, and 6, double backslash. Then we want to have a horizontal line, and there I use the hline command, horizontal line. And to change a little bit of these definitions of the columns, I type in C for centered and R for right justified. And now let it compile. Let's look at it, and there you see we have a horizontal line, some new values, and if you look closely, it's not everything is left justified. It's left justified, centered, and right justified, LCR. Okay, so in this definition we just don't we also can set the width of the column, the size of the column. So we use P for this, and then curly brackets, and inside of these we add the width, and I say it's 5 centimeters. let it compile, look at it, and now we have a very big column. It's 5 centimeters on H4 paper. Then we can make an H line at the end to end it with a horizontal line. And in the definition, we can make, for example, with this pipe symbol, a right margin, that it looks better. So let's look at it. Okay, so we have below and on the right side a margin, and on the left side too. So, and the first line should be not only one line, but a double line. So I add H line. Now let it compile again. Close it at first. No warnings, very good. And okay, now if you look at it, yes, our wishes are fulfilled. Okay, so let's make a horizontal line in the beginning. So it starts with a horizontal line above the Spalte words. Close it and compile it again. Okay, and of course we see our caption, unsere erste Tabelle, our first table, and a label like in the figures and so on. So if I want to refer on it, I show you, I create some random text, some random German text, and then we make, we call tab or Tabelle, and then \ref, the command you know, and type in our label. Okay, if I let it compile now. Okay, you see we have our references. Okay, all in all, as you see in LaTeX, generating tables is quite complex, especially if you have to work with big tables. It can be sometimes a little bit hard. It can take some time to make it look good, and so take your time for this. Of course, there are way more options than I showed you. I just wanted to show you some basics. In my opinion, the most important thing in LaTeX, and especially with tables, is be creative. Just try everything. You can't do anything wrong. You can delete it very easy, and then it's on the like in the last step. So thank you for watching. Okay,